Hey everyone, welcome back, guys. So today we're going to be diving into something that's caught a lot of attention online recently, guys. The mini mobile ATM and its 2-minute phone trick course. So if you've seen this advertised as, an easy way to make money with just your phone in 2 minutes, you might be wondering if it's a real deal or just another scam. Well, guys, we'll go over the claims, the warning signs, and I'm going to give you an honest review based on what we know, guys. Let's get into it. So the mini mobile ATM course, guys, it promises a super simple way to make money from your phone in just 2 minutes. Okay, it's marketed as something that anyone can do, no skills required, and they say you'll start seeing cash almost instantly. The pitch usually involves language that plays on the idea of easy wealth, right? Turn your phone into an ATM or get paid without lifting a finger. It's very tempting if you're looking for quick cash, but does it live up to the hype? Guys, let's take a closer look at some of the red flags, guys. First things first, guys, the language they use. The language they use is very common, really common actually, in scams. Okay, anytime you see promises of instant cash or easy money with no effort, guys, it's usually a sign to be cautious, right? Legitimate money making methods typically require some investment of time, skills, or even a financial commitment. With the Minute Mobile ATM course, there's no clear explanation of how it works or what you'll actually be doing to make money, okay? Also, the site and ads don't give concrete details about the creator or the company behind it. You're being asked to trust a faceless brand, which is another major warning sign, guys. And another thing, guys, okay, is the experience of real users. Real users, many people who have actually signed up for the mini mobile ATM course report similar experiences. They say that after paying, what happens is they're given vague instructions that don't actually lead to any income, any real income, right? Some have claimed that the materials provided are just generic advice you could find online for free. Worse is that there are reports of additional charges after signing up, suggesting that this might be part of a larger scheme to continuously charge customers without delivering actual value, guys, right? And another big issue, guys, is that the mini mobile ATM doesn't explain how you'll actually make money, right? The reliable online courses will, typically outline what you'll be learning or doing, whether it's marketing, freelancing, or selling a product. In this case, the 2-minute phone trick seems mysterious on purpose, right? Which is like a strategy scammers often use to hook people in with curiosity. Legitimate programs, legit programs are upfront about what to expect, and they provide some way to verify the claims, like testimonials from real people. Here we don't see that kind of transparency, right? And from the reviews, guys, the mini mobile ATM, 2-minute phone trick seems to fit a typical scam pattern, right? It pulls people in with big promises, lacks clear details, and it delivers something far less valuable than you expected, or nothing at all, basically. In fact, this scam bears similarities actually with other online get rich quick schemes. So, where you're asked to pay for access to, a secret formula that turns out to be a generic advisor, completely, at worst, completely useless. Many scam watch websites like Malware Tips have flagged it as a potentially harmful and recommend steering clear of this, guys. So, in conclusion, guys, is the mini mobile ATM legit? Based on everything we know and the experiences shared by people who have tried it, it seems that, guys, this is very likely a scam. Okay? The vague language, lack of transparency, and reports of poor experiences make it highly suspicious, yeah? And if you're serious about finding a way to make money online, you're better off looking into proven, legitimate options that may take a bit of effort but have real results, guys. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully this video saved you from wasting your money on the mini mobile ATM course. If you find this review helpful, guys, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content that helps you make, informed choices online. Let us know in the comments if you've seen this ad and what your first impression was. Stay safe out there, guys, and I'll see you